Hello, if you want to add the dual recording mode into your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can for sure do that. And let me quickly show you how. So you have to start by opening the Samsung Galaxy Store and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go for the applications, go for the search, and now search for this good lock application. Now, when you've got it, you have to just click on the download button, then go for open, and now just wait for the loading screen. Then we have to go for this plugin, so we have to download this on our phone, the camera assistant. Now we have to enable it, and then we have to go below for new available modes. As you can see, you can find the dual recording over here, and we have to just click on the switcher to enable it in our camera.